The TimeCube has 4 separate preset times, and all you simply do is turn to the side you need, and then the countdown begins. When the countdown is finished, you will hear a beep. You simply turn the TimeCube back upright to disengage the alarm. The Bamboo TimeCube also allows you to set your own side. Hold the set button down until the double zeros blink. Once they blink, push the sound button in the lower side and hold until you get to the proper time. Once your time is selected, hit the set button again to save. When your side is up, the countdown will begin, just like the other sides. If you need to reset the saved customizable side, just disengage the battery slightly, relock it into position, and the bottom will reset itself. When the TimeCube is in the upright position, it is off and battery power is not being used. However, if you are traveling or moving the cube around, there is an on-off switch at the bottom. Everybody just loves the TimeCube, and we know you will too. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us. Until then, enjoy being a better, more productive cook with the TimeCube.